Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode in my vlogmas series. So guys, today I'll be showing you how it is I did a DIY gift box. This box can be used for either a gift box, a jewelry box, or any kind of vanity box of your choice, using simple items that can be found at home or in a bookshop. So guys, right now you'll be seeing what it is I used, and I'll also put the listing in the description section so that you can go through that to see what you need to complete this project. So let's get into it. So to start the project, I had bought a 1.5 inch sponge. However, the sponge was a little bit too thick for the project. You can use a 1 inch sponge, but at the time I was unable to locate one. So I'll be splitting the sponge in two. I had also gone ahead to cut the sponge in the size of the shoes box that will be used for the project. Once that has been completed, I'll just go ahead to measure the sponge to ensure that it is the same size. And if there's any section where there's excess, I'll just go ahead to use the scissors to remove that amount. So for the material I bought a yard of material, but I'll only be using half yard for the box, and from the other half yard I'll use it for the cover. So I'll just be placing the box in the center of the material, and then we'll proceed to do the wrapping. To safely secure the material on the box while you wrap, you have the option of using either a stapler or fabric glue. In this case, I used what was available to me, which is a staple. You can notice that I'm also using snack clips to hold the material in place while I wrap the box. So for the last section, there is excess in material. So what I'll be doing here is to use a scissors to remove some of that excess to allow for the material to not be too bulky on the inside of the box. So I'll also be making a lining for the inside of the box. So I'll just proceed to cut the shape from a piece of cardboard. So once I've completed that, I'll just go ahead to cover the cardboard with some adhesive paper. And this was done for two sections, one that will be placed inside the box and one that will be placed inside the cover. So for the cover, we'll take the section of the sponge that was cut to size and gluing it to the top of the box. I'm using a super glue here. So once I'd completed sewing the areas, I also made some support for the sides of the cover on the inside. It's a random idea that you'd like to do for yourself. So guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this DIY project. Don't forget, of course, to hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, continue to stay naturally. Bye.